The term strawberry moon refers to the full moon that occurs in the month of June. It is named after the strawberry harvest season, as it coincides with the time when strawberries are traditionally harvested in parts of North America. The name strawberry moon has its roots in Native American traditions, where different tribes associated each full moon of the year with various natural phenomena or events. The strawberry moon is not a scientific or astronomical term, but rather a cultural and folkloric reference. It is one of many nicknames given to full moons throughout the year. Other examples include the harvest moon in September, the blue moon, second full moon in a calendar month, and the hunter's moon in October. While the name strawberry moon is primarily used in North America, full moons in June are observed worldwide, and different cultures may have their own unique names and associations for this particular full moon. The strawberry moon is considered special for several reasons. Timing: the strawberry moon is typically the last full moon of spring or the first full moon of summer, depending on the year. It marks an important transition in the seasonal cycle and can be seen as a celestial marker of the changing seasons. Symbolism: the name strawberry moon is derived from Native American traditions that associated the full moon in June with the strawberry harvest. For many indigenous cultures in North America, the strawberry moon represented a time of abundance, ripening fruits, and the onset of summer activities. Cultural significance: the strawberry moon has become ingrained in cultural folklore and has been celebrated in various ways. In some regions, people hold strawberry festivals or gatherings during this time, where they enjoy fresh strawberries and engage in other festivities to mark the occasion. Astronomical phenomena: the strawberry moon, like any other full moon, is a visually striking event. The moon appears round and fully illuminated, providing an opportunity for stargazers and photographers to capture its beauty. Additionally, the moon may appear to have a reddish or amber tint when it is near the horizon, due to atmospheric effects. This can enhance the visual spectacle of the strawberry moon. While the strawberry moon may not have any inherent scientific significance, its cultural and symbolic associations, along with its aesthetic appeal, make it a noteworthy event for many people. The color of the strawberry moon is not inherently different from other full moons. The moon typically appears bright white or a pale yellowish color when it is high in the sky. However, when the moon is close to the horizon, it can sometimes have a reddish or amber hue. This reddish tint is caused by the scattering of shorter wavelength blue and green light by the Earth's atmosphere, allowing longer wavelength red and orange light to reach our eyes. This atmospheric effect can make the moon appear more colorful, especially during sunrise or sunset. The specific color of the moon can also be influenced by other factors such as atmospheric conditions, pollution, and the presence of particles in the air. Therefore, while the strawberry moon is not inherently a different color, its appearance can vary based on various factors and the observer's location. The nature during the strawberry moon period can vary depending on the geographical location and local climate. However, there are some general characteristics associated with this time of year. Blooming and growth: in many regions, the strawberry moon period coincides with the peak of spring or the beginning of summer. During this time, plants, trees, and flowers are in full bloom, showcasing vibrant colors and releasing sweet fragrances. It is a time of growth and abundance in the natural world. Fruit ripening: as the name suggests, the strawberry moon is traditionally associated with the ripening of strawberries in parts of North America. It is a time when various fruits and berries begin to ripen, attracting birds, insects, and other animals that feed on them. Longer days and warmer temperatures: the strawberry moon period occurs around the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. Days are characterized by extended daylight hours, providing more time for outdoor activities and enjoying nature. Increased animal activity: many animals, including birds, insects, and mammals, are more active during the strawberry moon period. They take advantage of the favorable weather and abundant food sources to breed, forage, and raise their young. Outdoor activities: the pleasant weather during the strawberry moon period encourages people to engage in outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, picnicking, and gardening. It is a time when people often connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of their surroundings. It's important to note that these observations are general in nature, and the specific characteristics of nature during the strawberry moon period can vary based on regional and local factors.